Have you ever struggled with brittle nails that never seem to grow or stay healthy, no matter what you try? If that sounds familiar, you're not alone. It's one of the most common beauty frustrations out there. But what if there was a way to give your nails the strength and shine they deserve, all while treating them to a full manicure experience at home? That's exactly what the LONDONTOWN Nail Care Essentials set promises to do. This complete system is designed to nourish, strengthen, and protect your nails, bringing the spa experience straight to your fingertips. First off, let's talk about the products in this set. The LONDONTOWN Nail Care Essentials include a strengthening remover, nail hardener, top coat, cuticle oil, and restorative cream, complete with a pair of gloves for that extra pampering touch. The brand is known for its high-quality, effective formulations that focus on both beauty and nail health, so it's no surprise that this set aims to address multiple nail concerns in one go. Now, let's break down each piece of the system. The strengthening remover gently takes off your polish without stripping your nails, making it a great option for anyone who's tired of harsh drying removers. It's formulated to be effective, yet kind to your nail bed, ensuring that you're not damaging your nails in the process. Next, we have the nail hardener. This is where the magic happens. If you've been struggling with weak, brittle nails that peel or break easily, this hardener is your new best friend. It helps create a barrier that reinforces your nails, making them less prone to damage. The formula is packed with nourishing ingredients that promote healthy nail growth, and over time, you'll notice your nails becoming more resilient. Then there's the top coat, which is like the final touch of perfection. It adds that glossy finish that makes your nails look freshly manicured, even after a few days. Not only does it enhance the shine, but it also helps to protect the color underneath, preventing chips and wear. Now let's talk about cuticle care. The cuticle oil is a must-have for anyone who wants to maintain healthy nail beds. The nourishing formula hydrates and softens the cuticles, promoting a cleaner, neater nail appearance. It's something many of us forget to do, but it makes a huge difference in the overall health of your nails. And last but certainly not least, we have the Restorative Cream. It's rich and soothing, perfect for aftercare. This cream moisturizes your hands and nails, leaving them feeling soft and nourished. The gloves are a nice bonus. They lock in the moisture and ensure that you're getting the full benefits of the cream without it rubbing off on everything you touch. I've been testing this set for a few weeks now, and I have to say it really does deliver. The process is simple and quick, and the results speak for themselves. My nails feel stronger and look healthier. Plus, the added bonus of having that at-home manicure experience is a nice treat. Let's dive into the pros and cons. The pros? It's an all-in-one set that addresses multiple nail care concerns: strengthening, moisturizing, and protecting. The formula is gentle yet effective, and the addition of gloves for the restorative cream is a thoughtful touch. The cuticle oil and restorative cream really stood out for me. They left my nails and skin feeling deeply hydrated without being greasy. Now, for the cons. While the set is quite comprehensive, the price might be a little high for some, especially if you're on a budget. Also, if you're someone who prefers minimal steps in your routine, this could feel a bit like an extra investment of time, though I find it worth it for the results. As for value for money, considering the quality of the ingredients and the convenience of having an all-in-one nail care system, I think it's fair. It's definitely not the cheapest set out there, but if you've been struggling with nail health and want a more thorough, restorative treatment, this is definitely worth considering. In terms of comparison, there are other nail care sets on the market, but this one stands out due to its holistic approach. Many competitors may focus on just one aspect, like strengthening or moisturizing, but LONDONTOWN combines them all. The packaging is also sleek, giving you that luxury feel. As for build quality, everything in this set feels premium. The packaging is sturdy, and the formulas are rich and effective. The gloves included are soft, and you can tell they're designed for comfort during the application process. Now, customer service. If you've ever had to reach out to a brand like LONDONTOWN, you'll know they're known for being responsive. I've personally never had to contact them, but I've read positive feedback from users about their helpfulness when it comes to product queries or issues. As for product updates, there haven't been any major reformulations or changes, but that's a good thing in this case. The original formula seems to be working well, and updates might not necessarily be needed for a product like this. For those of you looking for alternatives, you might want to consider more affordable options like Sally Hansen's Nail Rehab or OPI's Nail Envy for a similar strengthening treatment. However, keep in mind that while these products are great, they don't offer the same holistic approach to nail care that LONDONTOWN does. So, should you try it? If you're serious about improving the health of your nails and want a comprehensive solution, I definitely recommend this set. It's a great investment if you're tired of seeing weak, brittle nails and want something that goes beyond just a quick fix. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it's worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.